Our top focus at 2. Deputy Chief Minister of Punjab Sukhbir Singh Badal has accused the Congress party of working with terror outfits. Badal said the Congress is in talks with separatists who have close links with terror organizations in Pakistan and the ISI. Badal has accused the Congress party of playing a dangerous game and said that it should be declared as an anti-national party. Punjab Deputy Chief Minister Sukhbir Singh Badal there making that statement, accusing the Congress party of working in cahoots with terror organizations based inside Pakistan, saying that the Congress should be declared as an anti-national party. Let's get a word from Kamaljeet Sandhu, who's with us on the phone line. Kamal, what's the basis on which Sukhbir Singh Badal is making this allegation?
Well, to me, Deputy Chief Minister Shrimani Akali Dal, Sukhbir Singh Badal trying to hurt Congress where it hurts the most, attacking Rahul Gandhi. Now, he showed some pieces of evidence in terms of photograph, saying at least 2 of the known close aides of senior congressmen, which includes the likes of Ramanjeet Singh Sikki and Indrajit Singh Zira, both close to Amrinder Singh, were very much present in the Amritsar rally, which obviously talked about secessionist movement. It was against Shrimani Akali Dal, saying they're trying to spread that agenda of hatred. They're obviously trying to keep the state of Punjab back, send them back into the times of 80s, saying Indira Gandhi, Rajiv Gandhi and now Rahul Gandhi have been trying to push the state in a state of militancy. Now that's the accusation that they've been saying. They're saying that's been backed not just by the intelligence. That is why the case has been handed over to the CBI. They believe that it's in the hands of the ISI and the Pakistan, that Congress is trying to play with fire, and this is something that they've been accusing the Congress party of. Now, we did question them whether this was a desperate move by the Shrimani Akali Dal. Remember, they're facing some sort of anti-incumbency ahead of the elections, crucial assembly elections of Punjab, which is happening next year. This is something that they said they have material evidence of. They did try and show some photographs, saying enough congressmen were obviously involved and very much present in that particular movement, which was against Shrimani Akali Dal itself. Many also obviously questioned the motive of SAD, saying were they not the ones who were asking of release of 13 of Sikh extremists? Did they not want for a commutation of sentence as far as Rajwana was concerned? They said this is something that the government had thought over. They were not seeking release of terrorists. They were only in accordance of law, demanding that there should be a release after these terrorists had completed their sentence. This, they say, is according to the Supreme Court guidelines. But at this point of time, a very aggressive Shrimani Akali Dal attacking a belligerent Congress, accusing them of hobnobbing with extremists, and obviously also going further and saying that they were joining hands with ISI and Pakistan.
Kamal, stay on with us. Let's once again listen into that statement made by Badal at a press conference a short while back.
That is as per Supreme Court. It is as per Supreme Court what we are asking for. We're not asking. This is a completely separate issue. We are asking for, there's a political party, which is aligning with terrorist organizations, separate organizations. That is the issue today. Any national party aligning with separate organizations does not need to exist in the state. We cannot allow.
Saying that the Sarbat Khalsa is against the Akalis, against Shrimani Akali Dal, and that is why you're going after them.
Okay, why? Just tell me, Sarbat Khalsa, the name Sarbat called. Why is Congress participating in it where resolution of Khalistan has taken place? Where Khalistan photographs, where armed struggle is the resolution of the independence, they want independence of Punjab? Why should Congress?
All right, Punjab's Deputy Chief Minister Sukhbir Singh Badal there accusing the Congress party of working with separatist outfits in Punjab, creating unrest, saying that the party should be declared as an anti-national party. Let's get a word from Indrajit Singh Zira, former Congress MLA, who's with us on the phone line. Mr. Zira, your first reaction?
ये बात है कि जो सुखबीर सिंह बादल है, उनको सभी सिख जो है वो आतंकवादी दिखते हैं, जबकि उसके असेंबली में सरदार विरसा सिंह वल्टोआ है, जो जिसने बोला था असेंबली में कि हमें अतवादी हैं, अतवादी रहे हैं, अतवादी रवांगा, और उस वक्त बादल साहब को उठ के माफी मंगनी पई थी। इस जमात में ही उन्हें अतवादी शामिल किए हैं कई। और वैसे आज बात है कि गुरु ग्रंथ साहब जी की जो बेअदबी हुई है उसके लिए वो घबराहट है उसके मन में, इस करके सिखों को अतवादी सभी देखते हैं। उसे कोई अतवादी नहीं थी, ना कोई खालिस्तान का नारा लगा, ना कोई उसे बात हुई। ये सभी झूठ बोल रहा है। जो ने PhD की थी, ने डबल PhD झूठ बोलन की की है, एक घबराहट की निशानी है।
इंद्रजीत सिंह जीरा जी, आप हमको ये बताइए कि सुखबीर सिंह बादल का ये कहना है कि कांग्रेस पार्टी एक एंटी नेशनल ऑर्गेनाइजेशन है, पाकिस्तान बेस्ड टेरर ग्रुप्स के साथ इनके नेटवर्क्स हैं, ISI के साथ कई लोग इनके काम कर रहे हैं और इस पार्टी को बैन कर देना चाहिए, एंटी नेशनल डिक्लेयर कर देना चाहिए। आप क्या इस पे आपका रिएक्शन क्या है?
ये बात है कि एक जो मैं आगे भी बोला है कि जो विरसा सिंह वल्टोआ है, इसने एक असेंबली का रिकॉर्ड है और साढ़े कोई सबूत है तो सामने लेकर आवे। इसके के पास कोई सबूत नहीं है, सिर्फ झूठ बोल रहा है। और जो ये गल बात करता है उसमें बात ये है कि इसको और कोई आपसी आंख से नहीं नजर आ रहा, ये बखलाया हुआ है। और किसी भी साडे लीडर का किसी पाकिस्तान दे नाल या IS पार्टी ना कोई संबंध नहीं है। जब पहला बात चली थी तो इन्हें बाहरले सिखों को बोला कि बाहरले सिख इतने गड़बड़ करा रहे हैं। उन्हें ये बोल रहा है कि पाकिस्तान से लोग रले हुए हैं। ये जी इंक्वायरी है, असी तो पहले बोला कोई सिटिंग जज जो हाई कोर्ट का वो इसकी इंक्वायरी करे। और साढ़े राहुल गांधी जी मिले ने राष्ट्रपति से कि वो किसी सिटिंग जज की ड्यूटी लोन, इसकी इंक्वायरी हो जाएगी। जो दूध है दूध है,
Right.
दूध पानी का पानी सामने आ जाएगा।
All right, इंद्रजीत जी, बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया आपका हमसे बात करने के लिए। थैंक्स सो मच कमलजीत फॉर गेटिंग अस द लेटेस्ट ऑन दिस स्टोरी। Punjab's Deputy Chief Minister Sukhbir Singh Badal accusing the Congress party of working with anti-national elements. We'll keep getting reactions to that big allegation being leveled against the Akali Dal.